is May 29th, 2020. So you should be grabbing your May 25th through 29th packets. And we are turning to Friday. And we'll practice writing the dates. So I think when we come back on Monday, it will be June. We'll be in our new month. Okay, so we're going to start with your spelling test, and I'm going to read the words to you. I am going to remove the packet as I'm reading them because I need to flip to the words. If I go too fast, simply pause me, or you can have, it would be even better to have somebody involve somebody at home and have them read the words to you. Okay, here we go. Number 1, uproot, uproot. Number 2, root. Number 3, between. Number 4, be. Number 5, highway. Number 6, reaches. Number 7, reach. Number 8, wooden. Number 9, wood. Number 10, way. Okay, good. And then what you'll do is you'll just check your answers against one of your spelling lists from earlier in the week, or if you would like to send me a picture of your spelling test, I can grade that for you. Okay, on to our grammar. It's our practice assessment here, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to check yes if the word is an adjective and check no if the word is not an adjective. So big, does it describe color, size, number? Yes, it does. Yeah, it does. So that is an adjective. All right, and you'll do the same thing with 2 through 5. Part B, circle the adjective in the group of words below. Number 6, bird, pretty, sit, and house. That's bird's a noun. So if you want to push yourself even further, you could actually write what each one of these are. The house is a noun, and sit is a verb. Your adjective is pretty. Okay? Do the same thing with 7 through 8. And in part C, you're going to write a sentence using an adjective, and you may not use any of the adjectives written above. Circle the adjective in the sentence that you wrote. Okay? So 2 sentences using adjectives. All right. And the next page is your assessment. So it follows the same exact pattern. I am going to rewrite these words because they are very light. Vegetable. Box. Mouse. Number 8 should say sky. Team. Toothbrush. And hold on, I've got to pull this one closer to me. Oh. It's cozy. All right, let's redo these two as well because they could be hard. Paper, girl, large, or herd. And that's like a herd of cows, a group of cows, okay? Numbers 1 through 5 say class, blue, tall, cow, sick. 6 says paper, girl, large, herd. 7 says happy, vegetable, box, mouse. 8 says sky, team, toothbrush, cozy. And then again, you're going to write 2 sentences using adjectives, and they can't be adjectives used above. Okay. Carrying on with our graphing, this is the actual assessment. So if you would like to take pictures of that and send it to me, then please do so, and I will give you feedback. Favorite pets, you're looking at this chart. Fish, dog, cat, turtle. The number of children is 7, 9, 6, and 5. I am going to give you a hint here, remembering to start with 0. Here is where you're going to put the title. Okay, here's where you're going to put your types of pets. And this would follow the same order, right? So here's where you would put your types of pets. And some of you guys don't need this support, so you don't have to listen to this part. Some of you already know all this. Some of you might need a little bit more support here. Here's where you would put your title. Here's where you're going to use your tally marks, okay? With your numbers up here. Cool? All right. I will read the problems to you because it's an assessment. I'm not going to do any demonstrations unless we come across something that seems like we really need some help. Okay, number 3 says use the picture graph. Choose the correct statements. Apples, Paige, Kyle. Paige has 2 more apples than Kyle. Paige has 2 fewer apples than Kyle. Paige and Kyle have 7 apples in all. Paige and Kyle have 12 apples in all. Use the bar graph to solve the problems. Number 4, Tony reads 5 fewer books than Sue. How many books does Tony read? Number 5, Kimberly reads some more books. Now she has read as many as Alex and Lee together. How many more books does Kimberly read? 2, 3, or 4. Number 6, if Lee reads 2 more books, how many more books will Sue have read than Lee? Blank more books. That box didn't come out very good with the copy. Turn the page. Use the bar graph. Which statements are correct? Choose yes or no. And you're looking at items in Miss Tate's drawer. Here's the number of items: pencils, erasers, crayons, markers. Number 7, there are 8 more erasers than crayons. Is that correct? Show your work. That was number 7. Number 8, there are 25 items in Mrs. Tate's drawer in all. Yes or no? Number 9, if 3 of the crayons are red and the rest are blue, there must be 7 blue crayons. Number 10, Mrs. Tate places 5 more erasers in her drawer. Now there are 2 more erasers than pencils in her drawer. Yes or no? There's your yes or no for that question, by the way. Your directions for the next section. Circle the correct answer to complete the sentence. At 3:30 a.m. or 3:30 p.m., Melissa goes to the park. Number 12, Aiden has breakfast at 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. Write the correct number. 13, 1 week equals blank amount of days. Number 14, 1 minute equals blank amount of seconds. Okay, for 15 through 16, you're writing the time on each digital clock. 18 says Lisa's family sits down for dinner at 5:20. Draw hands on the clock and show the time. Lisa comes in from playing at 5:15. Is she on time for dinner? And explain. Number 5, Arturo swims 34 laps in the pool. He swims 17 fewer laps than Mike. How many laps does Mike swim? Okay, and I'm confident you guys are going to do really good on this assessment. If you send me pictures of your assessment, your test, I will grade it for you and I will send you feedback. Okay, here's your final draft copy. So what you should be doing is taking your rough draft that you worked on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then hopefully you got somebody to revise your writing and make any corrections in your writing, so that now you're going to do your final copy. This would be what you would post on your refrigerator door, or send me a picture of it so that I can show it to your classmates. Okay? Please remember to spend some time on these sites today. Please remember to be studying your sight words, being kind to your brothers and sisters, do something to help around the house, and make sure you get outside. Okay? Have a great Friday and a great weekend. Bye, guys.